In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zendesk ticket. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Deleting tickets can help you keep your workspace organized, so let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, let's get started by opening the ticket you want to delete. This part is straightforward. Simply navigate through your Zendesk dashboard and locate the specific ticket you're dealing with. Once you find it, go ahead and click to open it. This will give you access to all the ticket details. Once you have the ticket open, the next step is to access the ticket options. Look toward the upper right corner of the ticket interface where you'll find the Options menu. This is represented by 3 dots in a vertical line, often called an ellipsis. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear with various choices for managing the ticket. Now, from that drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Delete option. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up window asking you to confirm your choice. It's crucial to take this step seriously because Zendesk includes this confirmation to help prevent any accidental deletions. In the pop-up window, you will be prompted to confirm that you indeed want to delete the ticket. Take a moment to reflect on your decision before confirming. Once you click the appropriate button to finalize the deletion, the ticket will then be moved to a special area. Here's something important to remember. When you delete a ticket, it doesn't vanish from existence right away. Instead, it gets moved to the Deleted Tickets view. This view acts as a bit of a safety net because once you delete a ticket, it's not permanently erased immediately. You actually have a grace period of 30 days in which you can still recover the ticket if you change your mind. This is a handy feature if you've accidentally deleted something or realized you need that ticket after all. After those 30 days, however, it's important to know that the ticket will then be permanently deleted from Zendesk's system. So if you think there's even a slight chance you'll need to restore a ticket, make sure you act within that 30-day frame. To restore a deleted ticket, simply navigate back to your Deleted Tickets view. From there, you can find the ticket you need and follow the prompts to restore it. It's that easy. And there you have it. Those are all the steps you need to delete a Zendesk ticket effectively while being aware of the grace period and restoration options. By following these instructions, you can maintain a cleaner workspace while still having the peace of mind that nothing is permanently lost immediately. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Zendesk and other tools. Happy